What's up guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video I am making another delicious plantain cup. For today's video I am making a spicy plantain cup mini appetizer. Okay, first we're going to start with a green plantain. I peeled it off camera and we're going to cut it into 4 equal little pieces, and then we're going to start frying it. Now to fry it, be sure you fry it on medium low so you don't overcook it or undercook it, okay? And also be sure to subscribe if you're new here. And also let's get this video to 200 likes. I know you guys can do it, so definitely slap the like button. Be sure you turn on your post notification. Okay, I'm watching. Now that our plantain is ready, we're going to add it in our lemon squeezer and we're going to press it down so we can form our plantain cup shape, okay? Nice, look at that. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to fry it again. Before we do, we're going to dip it in some salt water so it doesn't taste bland. Okay, we dip it in salt water and fry it again. Now I am not going to fry it too crispy. I want it to kind of have some texture to it because I don't like it too crispy when I am making sandwich with it. It's gonna be too dry. Now time for the shrimp. I am using a little bit of shrimp, a little teeny tiny bit of shrimp. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this recipe. It's the perfect appetizer, you guys. When I tell you this is so good, it's so good. I can eat this all day, every day, as a snack, as an appetizer. Now these are the ingredients. As you guys can see, I am not gonna tell you guys each one of them. I'm pretty sure you guys will definitely check the link, check the description box down below for the name of the seasoning that I added in there. Also, as you guys can see, I added a little bit of lime juice in there. Now we're cooking these on medium low as always. I added a little bit of oil and basically we're going to saute those shrimp. You know, shrimp don't take a long time to cook, so basically going to cook them real fast. Nice. Oh, okay, now that we're going to switch them over, and also make sure you get the side, because I don't like looking at the side looking all white like that. I like to cook the side. Okay, now basically our appetizer is ready. It's ready. Now all you have to do is basically plate your appetizer, your spicy shrimp plantain cup. Okay, what you're looking at right now is a version of my pickles. Basically it's made out of scotch bonnet, lime juice, and basically onion. Okay, basically it's hot and spicy and juicy. We're just going to add that at the bottom. I do have a recipe on how to make pickles. If you're interested, I will put it on top of there for you guys as a card, so you can just tap on it and you'll see how I make it. And basically I added my shrimp on top and it is ready to eat. And also I was thinking about adding some cheese to that. I'm like, what would be a good combination? It might be, maybe I have to make a video about that, but I have to test it out first because I know a lot of you guys try my recipe. I don't want to make anything that tastes nasty and then once you guys try it and you waste your money and waste your time. So I am going to give that a try and see how it tastes and make a video about it. This is how it looks, guys. It's so good. When I tell you it's good, it is good. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the link in the comment section to watch my latest vlog on my family channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.